Hi guys, welcome to Jikadia. Summertime is the most exciting time of the year. The sun is shining, clear blue skies, days are longer than nights, and lots of amazing things we can do. Let's have some fun by drawing some colorful summer things. The first one in this series is simple and obvious one, our hot sun wearing a cool pair of sunglasses. Let's get started.
Jikadia!
Take a bowl and draw a neat circle. Place it properly. Nice, neat circle. Now from here, we're gonna draw the flares. A simple organic flame-like shape or a leaf-like. Draw them randomly, some with two tips and some with single tip. Nice and flowy. All around the circle. For the sunglasses, draw a light guideline across, leaving 1/4 of the circle space above. Now from here, draw two semicircles on either side, leaving 1/2 inch gap between both. Then leave a slight margin space and draw smaller semicircles inside. Another one. Join the frame at the center with two lines like this and extend it on both ends this way, here and here. Done. Finally, add a cute smile. That's it. It's simple, right? Let's do the outlines. Erase all the extra pencil lines before starting. Time for adding colors. Obviously, yellow for the sun. And use any of your favorite color for the sunglasses. I used teal. Now carefully observe the details on the lens. I'm using black. Draw 4 diagonal lines on both the lenses. And fill all the areas as shown. These are the reflections. Now finish it off by shading. Use darker markers. And done. Here's Mr. Hot Sun with cool shades. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting illustrations. Thank you.